How to kick someone out of your Roblox account. If you want to kick someone out of your Roblox account, all you have to do is just simply open your browser and go to roblox.com, and first of all make sure you are logged into your own account. You can also repeat this process from the mobile app as well. Once you're here, on the top right hand side you will see a gear icon, which is a settings icon. So make sure to click on it again and just go to the option that says settings. Once you go to the settings option, over here you will see many options. On the left hand side this time, you want to go to the option that says security. And from security, on the right hand side, I want you to scroll a couple of steps below. And here you can see where you are logged in. There will be a button that says log out of all other sessions. So you want to make sure to click on it and then just click on the log out of all sessions option to confirm the changes and log everybody out. Now, for a better chances of logging everyone out, I would also recommend that you change your password. So you can come to the account info tab and simply scroll down right here, and until you see password, click on the pencil or the edit icon next to it, and also make sure to change and update your password to kick everyone out. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.